In this video, I'll show you how to have multiple signatures in Docusign using a simple and practical method that helps you manage different signing styles professionally. After logging in, head to your Profile section and open Manage Profile, then navigate to the Signatures area where all your saved signatures are stored. From there, you can create additional signatures by drawing, typing, or uploading an image of your handwritten signature. This is useful if you manage documents for different roles, departments, or branding styles. Docusign allows you to switch between saved signatures easily, but it's important to use the correct one for the right document to maintain consistency and professionalism. You should also review how each signature appears across devices before using it regularly. Overall, it's a flexible feature that makes document signing more convenient when organized properly. Subscribe for more honest, practical tech tutorials that help you stay productive and efficient.